Okay, part 3. Again, if you have not seen parts 1 and 2, links in the description, because I've erased a whole lot of stuff that we were doing to put our messy looking graph up here. Obviously my major was not art. My degree is in math and not art. So, we're talking about functions, and we've established the function that we had in that pattern, which I left down here. I did leave that. So what we can do with functions, one of the things that are great about functions is anytime you put in an x here in Rn, you get out a y. And that probably is going to look confusing because I called our answer x. So don't get confused because I called our answer x. So I'm going to change this from an x, because it's now a function. I should have done this in the previous video. From x to f to show that this is a function. So our n, we're going to use our x's for our n here. So when we put in 0 in here, we got 5. So our x is 0, and our y is 5. X is what we put in here, y is what it produces when we come through there. And if you remember previously, we put 1 in, we got 12. When we put 2 in, we got 21. If we put 3 in, we should get, well, we'll work that one out real quick. Put 3 in, you're going to get 1 plus 3 times 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3. So that's going to be 3 times 12, which is 48. No. Oh gosh. Brain fart. Sorry, folks. 3 times 12 is not 96. 12, 36. Which is 36 plus 3, 39. Sorry about the brain fart there. It's going to be 39, which obviously some of these numbers are going to go way off our chart. So, okay, so how we plot this is just like your classic XY ordered pair. Okay, so we see 0, 5. So we 0 on the x-axis. Means it's not going to go left or right. It's only going to go up or down. So this point is going to lie on the y-axis. It's 0, 5. So that point is right there. Next point is 1, 12. So we're going to come out 1 on the x-axis, and we're going to go up 12. Yeah, kind of right there. 2, 21. So if we go 2 out on the x-axis, it's going to be like way up here. And then 3, 39 would be way up here outside of view. So we can kind of connect these points in this sort of gentle, sloping, curvy line. And again, you could keep putting in x's and getting out y's and making ordered pair points that would put you, give you this nice line. This one happens to be a nice little curving function. But that is how you go about plotting a function and graphing it. I know that was not the smoothest explanation because I changed our x to an f. And the reason again that we did that is to represent that this is a function. We're moving beyond having this marked as an x. So when we look at this number that we put in here is x, and what we get out of this is y. And that's how you get your ordered pair. Plot them. Like I said, you can draw a line. This one happens to curve a little bit. So now we're talked about plotting. I know this one was a short one. Now we have talked about plotting functions and how to do that. Part 4. The last one is going to be talking about, is this function continuous? And if it is, how to show that both over here with our x's and y's in our little chart, and over here with our graph. Going to be a link to part 4. Excuse me, link to part 4 in the description. And any questions, leave them in the comments.